Hey guys, good evening. Today is Christmas Eve, December 24th. I just got done filming. I did a quick get ready with me to where I just like apply my makeup and then just play music throughout the whole entire thing. And then I list everything in the description box in order of what I used. And then I filmed another Ulta haul. It's like a part 2 to my Black Friday Ulta haul that I posted before. So I did that and I just got dressed. I bought every single color of these things at Walmart except for the kind of like camel-y one because I couldn't find it. But they're like $12 and they're in like the pajama section, but I've been wearing them just like on top of my clothes, like no big deal. So this is what I'm wearing like the gray cream one, some black leggings, and then just like a white shirt that has like some kind of charcoal gray color right here. So now we're about to head out the door. I need to stop by FedEx. They're open till 7 supposedly, and I need to ship my brother and sister-in-law's Christmas present. Got a late start just with like the baby going to Arizona, my aunt being here kind of just like threw me off, like I'm totally behind on everything. So I need to ship that at FedEx. There's no way they're gonna get it tomorrow, but hopefully they'll get it within the next like 3 to 5 days. And then what else? Oh, we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go to the Santa Anita area. We're going to the LA Arboretum, and we're gonna go through their light display. I can't remember what they called it. I can't remember, but I'm gonna bring you guys along to that. The lights are supposed to be like ridiculous. Like they have like animals built out of them and like all sorts of things. So we're doing that at 8 o'clock, and I think it's like a 2-hour thing. So we'll see. We're gonna be doing that tonight, and I think that's about it. So I'm gonna bring you guys along.
Oh, you look so cute. She likes it. Look at her face. Are you excited to see Christmas lights? Are you going to see our first Christmas lights? Oh, look at you. She looks so cute. Look at her face. Christmas lights with Faye.
Oh, we're being recorded?
And Faye. Faye, and Faye. Merry Christmas!
I just made him try on this outfit from Boohoo. It's pretty nice. Even has leg pockets. What are you gonna put in your pockets?
I don't know.
Is it comfy?
Yeah, just back pockets, I guess. Wallet.
Would you wear more matchy outfits like that? At least your whole outfit's already put together.
What kind of shoes?
White Nikes.
White Nikes? Nice.
And then I got him all these little mini shampoos and body washes. And look how tiny these little colognes are. So he has a YSL one. I don't know what the scent is. That's the box. It's so cute. And look at the little Dolce & Gabbana one. So tiny. Look at that. Is he putting together your Christmas present? Huh? Is Daddy putting together your present?
But
that's not very helpful.
Yeah.
Oh,
He is.
These are things.
Are you gonna play soon?
Go.
Yeah. Are you gonna play? We have one more to put together after that.
That way?
You wanna say hi? You gonna kick? Gonna kick Daddy? Say hi. Say hi, everybody.
Instructions.
Hi. Wait, make the music play. How you do that? Power button?
No. This one?
Someone's pooped from playing with their new toys. Pooped. Literally, we need to change her diaper. He's so cute. Would you believe me if I told you I lived in Southern California? This is crazy. It snowed like this on Thanksgiving too, and now it's snowing like this the day after Christmas. Today is the 26th. It's like, I swear, whenever we have family from Kansas come out here, it snows. It's like they bring the weather with them. Hey guys, I know I got some big hair going on right now, but I just wanted to pop on here and just do a little recap of Vlogmas 2019. I didn't vlog a whole lot on Christmas Eve and Christmas because my family was here and it was the baby's first Christmas, so I kind of just showed a little bit of a glimpse of what we did the last 2 days. Today is the day after Christmas, so you'll be seeing this video here shortly after I add in this little clip right here, but I just wanted to come on and just give you guys like a big fat thank you, because I do really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch my videos and leave comments. I love responding to you guys. I try to respond to every single comment because I feel like I owe it to you guys. If you're watching my videos and you're leaving a comment, like, the least I can do is comment back and make sure I interact with you guys as much as I possibly can. If you did win, congratulations to all of you. I did have 8 winners. If you didn't win, don't worry. I will be doing Vlogmas again next year, and that will give you 8 more chances to win some makeup goodies. And then maybe I'll do a few more giveaways throughout the year. We'll just have to see. But again, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I hope you guys all had a wonderful and safe Christmas. And until then, I will see you guys next year for Vlogmas. Well, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the makeup tutorial, but you know what I mean. I'll see you guys next holiday season when I vlog 25 days. Here is my last giveaway for Vlogmas 2019. Had to go out with a bang, so I put in some higher end makeup. So over here, you're gonna get a travel size straightener, a Lottie London Shimmer Squad, a Becca foundation. This is in the shade Fair. This is the Aqua Luminous foundation, and Embreche 24 karat liquid lipstick. These liquid lipsticks are so good. Then you're going to get a Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape palette, a Ulta brow gel, I think that's an eyeliner, a Forever 21 lip kit, the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries. This is a Clinique perfume sampler. We have some Moda brushes, a CoverGirl setting powder. The CoverGirl setting powders are so good. A Lorac lip gloss. Up here is Stila Patina liquid lipstick. We have a Trazique, I think that's how you say it. This is a heated mascara. Well, the mascara is not heated. It has a heated curler with a mascara at the bottom. We have a Buxom blush, an Elemis Superfood Veggie Mask. Elemis has some good stuff. Then over here we have a face primer, another eyeliner. We have a Be a Bombshell lipstick, a Girlactic, I believe this is like a holograph lip pencil, and then a Ciate London lip topper.